that room and you're blocking it. Why are you braking this much? Why are you braking this much for? Are you just riding your brakes? Oh my god. Yeah, you're either going to short your transmission or your brakes, or both. Yeah, you're braking way over there, and then yeah, I don't know why people do that. That's a really bad idea. You're not supposed to be riding on your brakes or driving your brakes, because what happens is that it gets so hot, it starts, the brake rotor starts warping, and that's gonna be a really bad thing. Not only that, it can mess up your transmission. Come on, get into neutral. There you go. Oh yeah, so I'm just talking about, that's a cop. We're talking about, should you get a motorcycle? Should you get a motorcycle, or a BMW motorcycle? And let me explain why you should. The reason is because, well, actually no, let's actually first dismiss all the I forgot the word, claims or things like that. I'm not sure what word I'm looking for, or I don't remember. Anyway, so a lot of people say that how unreliable, how expensive, and how ugly BMWs are. Okay, all besides the S1000R and the S1000R, but to a lot of people, everything else seems to be ugly. And let me tell you something about that actually, real quick. BMW didn't care how people looked at their bikes. Actually, no. Yeah, BMW never cared of how people think about their bikes by look-wise since 2013. So yeah. Anyways, a BMW motorcycle to begin with, even though there's definitely are some that are ugly and everything, not exactly the most appealing, and just weird looking. I know it's really odd and weird, but here's the thing. The reason I really recommend it to BMW is, you know, I'm working the field really. You know, I'm trading for it. And you'd be surprised how inexpensive, reliable, and amazing handling bikes BMWs are. Anyways, so yeah, that's just how it is. They're really amazing handling bikes and all that. They're really reliable bikes as well. You know, everything you don't really expect from a BMW, it's right there, you know. Well, I just don't like the looks of it. Well, BMW never cared since 2013, so yeah. Random. What was I saying? Shut the fuck up, phone. Jesus Christ. Shut the fuck up. I swear my phone's getting annoying every day. Anyways, so I'm stuck in this long ass traffic. Damn. So yeah, BMWs are really reliable and all that, you know, they're amazing to ride and everything. And maintenance, they're not that bad really. I guess it may cost a little more than a Japanese bike, but honestly, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Oh, nice. Because, yeah. And especially there are motors, unlike a Harley, like that one. Well, is that Harley? What's up, dude? Unlike a Harley, you know, their engines are in sync with each other. BMW's solutions to that is to make it outward. So basically, so it's basically literally sticking out of the engine. Or out of the bike, really. And you may be thinking, well, that seems kind of weird. It works a lot, and you don't need to worry about actually hitting it, really, because honestly, it's really durable. That's what it's made for, really, because there's even things to prevent it from damaging the valve assembly and all that. Okay, I know it sounds like these are just like really minor things, you know. You probably scrape it a little bit, that's fine. You drop it, that's fine. They're just different machines. Feeling and riding a boxer engine on a BMW, it's very different than anything else. You know, whoa. Seriously, dude. I was right next to you. This is why you call checking your blind spots by shoulder checking. It's not that hard. Apparently there's a lot of people that says, oh, you're stupid because you're in my blind spot. No, if you crash into me, that's your fault. Actually, no, I should let that happen, shouldn't I? Tree bike? All right. No, don't do that, people. It's very, very illegal. There we go, finally. Whew. Anyways, so yeah, you know, there's amazing bikes. You know, they're really strong made bikes and reliable. I don't care what anybody else says about them, really. In my honest opinion, I really like them. I know for a fact they're really reliable. Okay, BMW cars, okay, I'm not sure about that, okay? That's a whole different category right there, okay? So, don't be talking to me about it. Did I get this bitch of shit? There we go. God damn it, it just got into neutral. But yeah, I hope you like this video. I know let's go. I know I'm actually just stuck in traffic. Wait, why is there traffic? Oh yeah, that. Alright. Cheers, Wednesday. But yeah. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more. You know, if you have any other questions, just let me know, okay? Talk to y'all later. Bye bye. I swear, they'd be really, so your guys are the ones to be fucking us up? Come on. Go around them. Alright. Go. See, this is why I hate truck drivers. Because of that reason, that's one of them. Because they don't know how long their beds are. And so they just like, and just fucking block traffic like that. Very common over here. Very common.